I am Chiara De Concilio, a fashion designer from Naples, Italy. My city is full of art, inspiration, color, tradition and culture, but above all of craftsmanship. That's why in 2012 I founded the company Chiara De and its brand here. For me, being a designer is not only a professional choice, it is a true and genuine passion. This profession, my creation and daily work, allow me to express my personality, but above all, the values I believe in. Our company mission is not simply to create products, but to implement projects. Every creation is not only a product to be offered in the market, but it is a story telling about people, materials, elements, and everything that involves the creative and productive process. A constantly evolving process where the values remain the same. Craftsmanship made in Italy, creativity, innovation in production processes, and also courage to dare and make changes. Sustainability, for me, is not only a value, but a lifestyle. In fact, it all started outside work. My passion for scuba diving, the great love for the sea, and the desire to stay connected with nature at all times have raised a question. What can I do to take part in a global, sustainable change? In a context of increasing attention to the environmental impact of the fashion system, sustainability has added a new value to our reality by giving a decisive imprint to everything we make, both products and services for companies. Individually, all of us, but especially fashion companies, have a great responsibility to people and the planet. When we realize our creative and productive process through the eyes of sustainability, everything acquires a completely different value, which is to be connected with the nature in all stages and manage to see in all this a powerful tool to communicate and raise awareness. Our company offers services and consultancy to companies and fashion brands that want to take a decisive turn towards eco-sustainability, sharing a new vision, respectful of the planet and labor, aimed to the search of innovative solutions and new materials with a view to the circular economy and alignment with the goals of Agenda 2030. We support you in all stages of creating your product, from the selection of certified sustainable materials to the research of all components, including packaging and labeling. The stylistic research phase is one of the most interesting because that's when we understand inspirations, ideas and values of our partner. Our task is to make the idea concrete and shape it. We study its feasibility and consider all aspects of the fashion project, starting from mood board, color board creation, design of sketches, patterns and graphics. After defining the stylistic design, we proceed to the creation of prototypes. The first prototype has a very important aesthetic and functional value because it allows us to study improvements and aspects in order to perfect the final result. After approving the prototypes and making the samples definitive, we select factories and monitor all stages of production. We are constantly present in all phases of the supply chain up to quality control and packaging. In our opinion, quality control is a central and decisive step. Only by following the realization of a product at every step are we able to ensure that it meets the quality standards required by our partners and customers. Particularly in the footwear sector, whose process is very complex, we offer this service also individually to companies that decide to outsource this service. We carry out this service directly at the factory on the check, relying on experienced footwear technicians. Everything always starts with an idea. From idea to final product, the path is fascinating, but it requires the right balance of all resources. That's why realizing it together is easier. We do it with our values, passion, and experience.